Now going to slightly genius in our weather center right now. We have meteorologist Melissa Frey.
Thank you very much. Such a fun band and fun event to win this morning. Take a look at Storm Tracker 9 live radar. It's a little different this morning. We're putting the radar back to work this morning. We have some showers that are moving up from the southern part of the state. Thunder showers which have developed over the southern Oregon coast and northern California are pushing north, and we've already seen about 2/100 of an inch of rainfall here in the Roseburg area. And lots of reports of lightning as well all across southern Oregon, and those storms are now getting into the southern Willamette Valley as well. And you can see they spread east of the Cascades all the way over to the Idaho border as well. So we're pretty much all in the same boat. Now down in Roseburg, you're still at 67 degrees this morning, so rather warm, a little bit muggy. Winds are out of the south at 5 miles per hour, and you picked up a trace of precipitation here over the past hour. It's been raining there since about 4 o'clock this morning. Here in the Eugene area, we're also on the warm side at 63 degrees, dew point down to 51. Our winds still have that westerly component at about 8 miles per hour, and we've seen a trace of precipitation here as well. And again, that extends all the way out over the Coast Range through Cresswell, Cottage Grove, and heading up into the McKenzie River Valley this morning. We're seeing lightning and a little bit of light rain, but we're not seeing quite the critical fire danger that they are seeing in the northeast corner of the state this morning, spreading all the way up across eastern Washington. Red flag warnings are in effect. Those go into effect this morning at 11 a.m. when those thunder showers will really start to pick up, and they'll continue all the way through 9 o'clock Wednesday morning. We are looking at abundant lightning with these storms, little rain, at least not enough to counter the amount of lightning that we're going to see. And then also some very gusty winds up around 50 miles per hour. So if there were to be a new fire started by lightning, it could then spread very quickly. So again, monitoring that situation in the eastern side of the state very closely. Now, the reason for the thunder showers is this area of low pressure that is moving up here from northern California. It's not down at the surface, and that's why we're not seeing a cold front, not seeing widespread cloud cover or widespread rain. Rather, that storm is up in the middle level of the atmosphere. And so what it does is it pulls in moisture off from the Pacific, pushes that into our air here over western Oregon. And that helps to fuel and facilitate those thunder showers that we're seeing out there this morning and we'll continue to see here through this evening. Now, I want to give you the big picture on this week. Now, that jet stream, again, a little bit of a dip because of that area of low pressure. But what's going to happen as we head into Wednesday and Thursday is that's going to start to push up north. That big ridge of high pressure, which has been over the desert southwest, that's going to start to move back to the northwest, like what we saw about a week and a half ago. And so that's going to bring our temperatures back up into the 90s, and then we're going to stay there all the way through the middle part of next week. So another heat wave is on the way, and the only relief we're going to get is today and tomorrow, but we'll still be in the mid to upper 80s. So again, hot weather definitely on the way. You always have the coast to go to cool off, nice and comfortable there today. Mid to upper 60s. You also have that chance of thunder showers. Again, we've already seen quite a bit of lightning south of Coos Bay this morning. Wednesday, you'll be at 65 degrees, 67 Thursday, and then you'll also get back into the upper 60s and low 70s under sunny skies Friday through Monday. The Umpqua Basin, low 90s for you today. Again, we are seeing those thunder showers. They'll continue through this evening. Winds are out of the northwest. Tomorrow will be the coolest day this week. That's at 90 degrees, and then we climb all the way back into the low to mid 90s here to wrap up the work week through the weekend into early next week, still in the low 90s. The Cascades also seeing thunder showers today. Highs will be in the upper 70s near the pass, mid 80s down into the foothills. Central Oregon in the upper 80s and low 90s with thunder showers there as well. And you'll also get right back into the low 90s Thursday, and then we're talking mid 90s Friday through Monday. And for the Willamette Valley, our highs will be in the upper 80s and low 90s today. Again, watch out for those thunder showers there today. Tomorrow will be the coolest day this week at 86 degrees. Hard to say that 86 is cool. That's the case this week. 89 Thursday, and then we're low 90s Friday all the way through Monday.
You know, I think we should go on that research ship that goes out to sea in the Gulf of Alaska, because that sounds pretty cool up there.
That sounds like a great plan. Yeah.
Okay. Well,